Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Test of significance. The heights of 10 children selected at random from a given colony had a mean of 63.5 centimeters and variance 6.2 centimeter. Test at 5% level of significance the hypothesis that the children of the given colony are on average less than 65 centimeters in all. The value of T for 8 DF is at 5% level of significance is 2.262. Here n is equal to 10, x is equal to 63.5, variance is equal to 6.25, that is sigma is equal to 2.5 and mu is equal to 65. Null hypothesis, the average height of the children is 65 centimeter, that is h0, so mu is equal to 65. Alternate hypothesis h1 is mu is less than 65. So t is equal to x bar minus mu by sigma into root over n minus 1 is equal to mod of 63.5 minus 65 by 2.5 into root 10 minus 1 is equal to 1.5 into 3 by 2.5 is equal to 1.8. Critical value is 2.262 as given. Since the calculated value of t 1.8 is less than the critical value 2.262, the hypothesis is correct that the average height of the children is 65 centimeter. On this basis, the alternative hypothesis H1 that the average height is less than 65 centimeter will be rejected. 6 boys are selected at random from a college and their marks in English is found to be 63, 63, 64, 66, 60 and 68 out of 100. In the light of these marks, discuss the general observation that the mean marks in the English in the college were 67. So the table shows the marks. The first column D shows the x minus x bar, where x bar is the standard deviation, that is sigma x by n is equal to 386 by 64. So this denotes the second column, denotes the deviation from 64. Here S is equal to sigma d square by n minus 1 is equal to 38 by 6 minus 1 is equal to 2.756. Null hypothesis H0 mu is equal to 67. So the mean marks in the English in the college were 67. Computation of test statistic T is equal to x bar minus mu by S into root n is equal to 64 minus 67 by 2.756 into square root of 6 is equal to 2.665 is equal to 3 by 2.65756 into 2.449 is equal to 2.665. Critical value n is equal to 6, so df is equal to 6 minus 1, the critical value of t at 5% level of significance, and for 5 df is 2.571. Since calculated value t is equal to 2.665 is more than the critical value 2.571, the null hypothesis is rejected. It means that the mean marks in English in the college were 67. Fixing limits of population mean. On the basis of mean of a random sample taken from a normally distributed population, find the limits of the population mean at 95% or 99% confidence level. Limits of confidence level at 95% is x bar plus minus s by root over n plus minus t05, and limits of confidence level at 99% is equal to x bar plus minus s by root over 9 n plus minus t.01. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.